Hi, this is Cameron Bernard with the Nellis Group. Welcome to 8740 Village Green Court here in the villages of Mount Vernon. Come join us on this private tour. As you enter the home, you'll be greeted by bright recessed lights and crown molding throughout. And you'll notice the position of the fireplace, which is ideal for family gatherings and relaxation time as you enjoy your home. As we transition into the dining room, this home features an open concept with the hardwood floors flowing seamlessly into it. You're gonna love everything this kitchen has to offer. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, large pass-through window which continues the open concept, and just when you thought it was over with, custom backsplash. We are now entering the primary suite. You're gonna love the beautiful bay windows which allows light to stream through. The key factor with this room is the amount of space you have in order to customize it as you see fit. This room also features a walk-in closet in your own private bathroom. The upper level features 2 additional bedrooms that share their own bathroom. Welcome to your outdoor entertainment space. Most homes in this community don't feature a deck, let alone a deck of this size. Perfect for barbecues and fun in the sun. Thank you for joining us on this private tour. If you'd like more information on the home, reach out to us at the Nellis Group.